So when it comes to traveling, packing can be a real struggle, especially when you're trying to fit all your beauty essentials into such a limited space. But hey, what if I told you that creating the perfect travel beauty kit could totally change the way you pack and keep you looking flawless on the go? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to curate the ultimate beauty kit. One that's space-saving, super efficient, and lets you keep up with your routine without any hassle. From skincare to makeup and hair care, we'll walk you through picking out multifunctional products, organizing your stuff for easy access, and even dealing with those annoying travel issues like leaks or spills. Oh, and I'll also be sharing some tips to keep your products in tip-top shape while you're traveling. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pack your travel beauty kit like a total pro. Ready to simplify your travel routine and look your best wherever you go? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what essentials you'll need for the ultimate travel beauty kit. A few key products can really make all the difference. Just think lightweight, multifunctional, and travel-friendly. We'll kick things off with your skincare routine. Try to find products that can do double or even triple duty, like moisturizing, offering sun protection, and maybe even working as a primer. When it comes to makeup, go for items that pull double duty too, like a lip and cheek tint or a foundation stick that also works as a concealer. And hey, don't forget about hair care. Mini versions of your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and styling products will help keep your hair on point without taking up too much space. Alright, so now let's move to the organization part. A travel beauty kit should be compact but efficient, and that means, packing with purpose. Opt for clear pouches so you can see exactly where everything is, and definitely invest in a travel-friendly bag that keeps your products secure. The key here is to pack smart. Group your items by category so that finding them on the go is a breeze. As you prepare to pack your beauty essentials, keep in mind that temperature changes and turbulence can sometimes affect the integrity of your products. To avoid any mishaps, use travel-sized containers for liquids and make sure everything is tightly sealed. You can also try using a silicone travel bottle with a leak-proof design, which will totally prevent spillage in your bag. Lastly, just a quick reminder to always check for any travel restrictions on beauty products, especially when flying internationally. Certain items might not be allowed through security or could get confiscated if they're over the size limit, so double check the regulations before you head to the airport. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to pack your travel beauty kit like a pro. So, let's get organizing. And once you've packed your own ultimate kit, drop a comment below and let me know your tips and tricks for traveling with beauty products. Don't forget to check out my other travel-related videos for even more tips to make your next trip stress-free and fabulous.